car. Yeah, there's a car. You hear the birds singing? Oh, car turning. All right, let's go. Good girl. Let's walk fast today. You want to walk fast today? All right. Let's try and walk fast today. Good girl. Good girl, Bailey. Come on. Look at your ears flapping around like you're jogging. We're not going that fast. Yeah, we're not going that fast. Oh, the birds are flying. Good girl, Bailey. Good girl. Mm-hmm. Come on. Good girl. Here comes the car. All right, come. Come, Bailey. Yep, there's a car coming. Can you get off the road? Bailey, come. All right. Hi, Alicia. This is Bailey. We're just taking a walk in our neighborhood. Yeah, we like to go live and take walks. Can you hear the birds singing? We're in Hawaii. Trying your hardest not to be a bad guy. Okay, well, keep on trying. The world definitely doesn't need any more bad guys. Yeah, we'll keep things nice and rated G here on our channel. We're just taking a walk, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the nature. You can join us and enjoy some nature if you want. Yep. There's some native ferns. Here's some non-native ginger. Here's some native ohia trees. And there's Bailey. She has a whole bunch of shorts on our channel where she's learning to talk with buttons. Yeah, so you can go check out our shorts. Okay, well, you don't have to watch, do ya? You can go watch somebody else's live stream. I mean, I just like to go live and walk Bailey and talk to people. That's cool. No worries. Come on, Bailey. Good girl. Yeah. Here's some tree ferns. They're called hapu'u. If you want, you could go take a walk with us. It's probably nighttime, depending on where you are. But you could walk around your house with us. Pretend you're in Hawaii. Walking a dog, if you want. Or we could talk about something like how to train your dog to talk, or how to train your dog in general, or math. I have a lot of math videos on my channel. Hi, Christmas Clark. Christmas Clark, I like that name. Come. Come, Bailey. Get off the road. There's a car coming. Here's some tea leaves. They're native too. Let's go this way, Bailey. Let's go this way. There's some other dogs up there. Well, it's funny Christmas because my name is Chris, and some people call me Miss Chris, and that's Christmas backwards. Miss Chris. You know, because there's so many Chris's in the world. Every Chris has to have kind of a name. Is that your name? Christmas? Will I be adding any more 4th grade lessons? You just started Module 3. Yes. I have, I think about 8 more lessons to add to 5th grade. I'm almost finished with Module 6 in 5th grade. And, oh, hi, Jazz Effect. And then I'm going to work on 4th grade. I think I only had a few on there for 4th grade, but that is my goal, to work on 4th grade next. You just started Module 3. Okay, so you definitely need Module 3 on there. Larissa. Larissa? Oh, hi, Larissa. I like your spelling. Probably always having to tell people how to pronounce it, though. Yeah, so like I was saying that I teach math on YouTube. Some people didn't know that because they're just watching me walk my dog. So yeah, Jazz Effect. I'm sorry, I can't really say when. I've just been super busy with a bunch of other projects lately. But it is my goal to do all of 4th grade as soon as I can. She's a girl. Her name's Bailey. Bailey, say hi. Bailey, say hi. Yeah, they said you're a pretty girl. You want a treat? You want a treat, pretty girl? Here you go. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Jazz Effect, if you're still here, let me know if there's anything that would make the videos better. I put them usually in 2 or 3 parts so that kids can watch them, but I understand that a lot of teachers watch them to prep, so I don't know if there's some way I could do it all in one or do it faster or something. Yeah, I do have lots of projects. I have a hydroponic greenhouse. I have a dog who talks. Not to mention my husband and my children. Aw, thanks, Larissa. Yep. I'm also going to add some, like how to prepare your students for statewide tests, how to know if they're actually learning word problems and stuff like that. I think that's going to be my next math video. Here's some really nice tree ferns. It was raining a lot today, so we're taking a later walk, even though we didn't have work today. Yay, 3-day weekend. Come, come. Good girl. Yeah, math. I had a lot of trouble with math when I was a kid too, Larissa. And that's why I think I'm a pretty good math teacher, because if you struggle with math, then you understand a lot more of like how hard it is, and not just the number sense and things coming quickly to you. So yeah, I was in 3rd grade, and when I was in 7th grade, I definitely struggled in math. So as you get older, it gets easier because your brain grows and matures. Oh, that's nice, Jazz Effect. I pretty much just follow the teacher manual, but I guess because I've taught the 5th grade lessons at least a lot of times, and probably because I teach 5th grade, I understand the 4th grade. I guess I can explain it pretty well. So I appreciate that. Well, I think that makes sense, Larissa. Yeah, Jazz Effect. I think I'm gonna put the test prep little, I call them pop quizzes for my kids. I think I'm gonna put it on my channel as like digital downloads that you could download. Like, so far I have 3 different quizzes that cover the same content, and I could make them for 4th grade. Thanks, Larissa. Yes, go to sleep and have a great week. Thanks for joining us. I go live about every afternoon, depending. Yeah. So I can make some digital downloads for 4th grade too. Just, just some things I was doing with my students, trying to take some word problems from the test, from the Eureka Math test, and then doing them over and over, but kind of in different ways and with different numbers to try and really help them understand the skills. So I don't know what your school or your district has for test prep, but I figure I can just do what I do. Not that my kids are, gonna do so amazing on the test either, but we can just keep on trying and helping them to understand. My kids kind of freeze when they come to word problems and anything that's different. And that seems like that's what the test is so much of, is, okay, so you understand adding and subtracting fractions, but now we're going to throw it to you in a whole different way. And they just don't have the confidence, I guess. Yeah. And I'm still seeing gaps, probably from COVID, and then losing their confidence, and then just not recovering. I have about 3 in my class who do really well in math, but the rest are filling in gaps and struggling. But the videos help them too, because then if they're absent, they don't miss the instruction. Cars going the other way, Bailey. Yeah. Oh, thanks for your encouragement, Jazz Effect. I really appreciate it. It seems like I don't hear from people very often on the channel, so it's nice to talk to somebody about the math videos. Hi, Mary. Come, Bailey. Come, Bailey. Oh, we're going to go this way for a little bit. Yeah, we're going to go this way. It's okay. Here's another Hapu'u tree fern. They grow like a foot a year. Yeah, very tropical. But it's been pretty cold lately. I mean, for here. It's, come, Bailey. Come. Last night it was down around 48. And we don't have heated houses. Some people have fireplaces, but most of us don't have heated houses. So it's kind of cold. Come, Bailey. Come on. All right. We're going to head back home. You guys have a good night. Maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Bailey, say bye. Say bye. Yeah. Oh, no. She's half Catahoula and half blue pit bull. Or so. It's hard to say for sure. Her mom was probably mostly Catahoula. We have pictures, but the dad, we're not sure, except that she looks so much like a blue pit bull. Oh, that's nice, Jazz Effect. Thanks. Yeah, I really appreciate you. Have a great week. All right. Take care, everybody. See you later. Go watch some of Bailey's shorts where she's learning to talk and tell me everything she thinks. I'm going to get her some new buttons so she has some more words. All right. Aloha. Bye.